Finding coins before they break out is a big challenge. Now with AI, that challenge has become a lot more accessible for everybody. Now CoinGPT, as you may know, is an AI Telegram bot. If you're not already using it, it's free. Link in the description down below if you want to follow along with me. Let's look how we can find these coins together. So first thing you're going to do on the CoinGPT Telegram bot, which you can use on desktop or mobile as I'm showing you, is press Analyze. You'll notice that it brings up the market data using real-time prices and AI, and there's many things you can do on this bot, as I've made videos throughout this series, how to analyze, get a bias, get a stop loss, get a take profit. But today we're going to be focusing on the scanner feature to scan the market in seconds using AI to find coins that are on the verge of a massive breakout that other people are not going to find very easily at all. So the scanner feature allows you to scan the market in seconds and find cryptocurrencies that meet certain technical indicators. Usually how technical analysis works is you of course do your analysis on a chart and then you're applying that to a coin already. This is in reverse. We're actually using the scanner feature to find coins that meet a certain technical indicator, not the other way around. So let's start off on the RSI, which stands for the Relative Strength Index. It's one of the most popular technical indicators. It tells us if a coin is overbought or oversold. So we're going to see what cryptocurrencies are currently oversold. That could potentially be a good buy right now. We can choose the time frame. Let's select the 1 hour to see if it gives us any results. So these cryptocurrencies have all met the condition of being oversold. They have the lowest RSI on the 1 hour time frame. You could go lower. We could go, for example, into the 15-minute time frame or any time frame for that matter to find which cryptocurrencies meet that condition. All of these are clickable. And I've made videos in other videos in this series where you can get a bias, a stop loss and take profit. You can click aside of this video or down below and you'll find the whole series of these videos. And that's how you do it using the scanner feature. That's the RSI. For example, we could do are any coins on the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands give you a 20-day MA period, moving average, lower band and upper band, and you can think of it like that, price moves up. Let's see, are there any coins that have touched that bottom support on the 15-minute time frame to see if anything is a good bounce right now. So there's one coin there. We can use the 1 hour time frame and look at all these coins that are oversold on the Bollinger Bands. I'll click one for you, and sometimes the Bollinger Bands signal a continuation. So if it is on the bottom lower time frame, it might be to continue to sell. So near protocol, an AI token is saying neutral on the 1 hour. If we went right down to the lower time frame, for example, the 5-minute time frame, there might be a different bias. And yeah, you can see here it's giving a short signal. In fact, AI using the real-time indicators are suggesting a stop loss and a take profit level. So that is how you can use the scanner feature to find AI tokens. And once again, if you're not using CoinGPT already, link is beneath this video. You can start analyzing coins with AI for free and watch the other videos as part of this series. Thank you for watching.